So I think I have developed a really good system when it comes to staying organized. It lets you become more productive. Yung client mo, they will think na, okay, I can trust this freelancer. Hey there everyone! Welcome back here on my channel. This is me once again, Teacher Marie. So in my previous video, if you haven't watched it yet, I've made a video on how you can create your website as a freelancer and how you can attract or get clients. Now, in today's video, it's also important as a freelancer to be organized. Especially guys, if you're dealing with projects, it's really important that you're able to deliver it on time to your client. Yung client mo, they will think na, okay, I can trust this freelancer and I will go to her again if I have another project to be done. I have this habit of procrastinating things. So, meron akong habit na, mamaya ko nagagawin yan, I can do it later. And then when later comes, wala na akong nagawa. Aside from that, parang I'm easily distracted. So, I have this tendency na I'm doing something and then I would stop and I would go maybe cook something or bake something, clean the house, something like that. And then yung dapat na gagawin ko sana, which is urgent na kailangan ng client, hindi ko na siya nagawa. So as someone who is a content creator, a freelancer, and also somebody who maintains a full-time job, very important talaga that I have a tool that I could use to keep me on track, where I can just see everything all in one place. So I would know na, ito yung gagawin ko today, ito yung gagawin ko tomorrow. So if you're somebody like me also, and you have the same tendencies, I'm going to share with you the tool that I use in order to stay on track with all my projects, with my schedule, my meetings, and all that stuff. So Akiflow guys, it is a time blocking digital planner and calendar. What Akiflow does guys is it lets you become more productive. You can see all of the tasks in just one place. So instead na gumamit ka ng napakaraming tools, multiple tools at a time, multiple calendars, you just have to use Akiflow and you will be able to see everything there. So if you're ready, let's get started and I'll show you how you can use Akiflow. Okay guys, so ito yung makikita ninyo once you open your Akiflow calendar, once you have installed the app on your computer. It is very straightforward, very simple. This is my October 2024 calendar and I have already also planned my November 2024 calendar. So we are going to start with an empty calendar. So we are now on December 2024. So I can just show you how I use Akiflow in order to help me plan my events, my tasks for the whole month. So first thing that I do guys is to set the layout of my calendar. And yung preferred ko talaga na layout is yung monthly view. So this one from the first day of the month to the last day of the month. But of course, you can also change that if you go here sa calendar settings. So if gusto mo weekly or 6 days or let's say 1 day at a time. So as you can see here, we have already the time here. So kapag nagpa-planning ako guys, I choose weekly because I am able to set here the secondary time zone. So since I'm working with clients from abroad, so some of them are in Singapore, some of them are in the Philippines, and UK, Australia, also in the US. So if freelancer ka, you also do this since this will help you keep on track with your deadlines, your meetings. Just toggle it on and then makikita mo dito may dalawang time na available dyan. So first is yung by default kung saan ka nakatira. My default is Central European time. Now my secondary time zone naman is we have here Philippine time. So if i-change mo yan, for example, my client ka from United Kingdom, then you can choose this. So ayan, may secondary time zones na tayo. So what I will do next now is I will then block my time. So very easy lang guys dito sa Akiflow. You just have to click. So start tayo dito from 8 a.m. to let's say 9 a.m. I have a meeting. So you can also choose here the color that you want. Mas maganda guys kapag may color, so you would easily identify na okay, that is for freelancing, that is for YouTube, that is for personal life, ganyan. And then ito, you choose here which Google Calendar will it sync to. And then that's it. We're just gonna do the rest of the time blocking. So I have also here one task to do, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Set the duration for 45 minutes. We are going to add also project. That is under here, the project of personal. So nandito siya, fitness. So the labels will help you easily categorize the tasks, the events that you have on your calendar. So if you click on that, you will see here that here we have December 1 Pilates. All tasks or events under that label, you will find it also here. So mas mabilis mo siyang hanapin. So before we continue on this, I'll just show you how to create those labels, and then we also have tags for this one. So first, for the label, you can just click on here. Let's say you create a folder first. So let's say, for example, clients, and then you create a label, brand, let's say X. Create another label. We have brand, and then you can just group them under this folder. So you will find it right here. So lahat ng tasks that are labeled brand X and brand Y will be found also here if you click them. And yung tags naman, guys, it also somewhat does the same thing. So lahat ng under YouTube, you will see here. Lahat ng under freelance, you will see there. To add tags, you can just click here, add tag, and then type your tags. So going back here, I added here already my label, and then let's tag it under fitness. So there you go, we have already one task there. So let's keep on doing the time blocks. So I have here also from 10 to 12. So here you can also set, guys, your priority, your goal for the day, or if it's priority level high, medium, or low. So here you will see it will have this red box here. That means na itong task na ito, it is high priority. This one, wala siyang priority. So it's just a normal gray color. So let's add another task. So this one, this is my goal for the day. And then deadline set until Monday. Ito naman, guys, makikita nyo it's entirely different from this one. It has this red borders. That means that that task is the goal for the day. So napaka-urgent ng task na yan. So we're just gonna keep on time blocking the rest of our day. Alright, so as you can see, we have already blocked our time, events, tasks planned for this day. So, ganyan ko siya ginagawa, guys. So, very quickly, we're just gonna do the rest of the days. So, at least I'm just gonna plan until Friday. Okay, guys, so natapos rin natin na i-plan or schedule yung ating mga events, yung mga tasks natin for the first week of December 2024. So as you can see, those are like just sample events and activities, guys, ha? Kasi ngayon, it's still November, so of course, I'm still yet to actually really plan my calendar for December 2024. But this is how I would do it. This is my system. This is my process. So as you can see here, my day really starts at 6 a.m. So I have here always my fitness, Pilates, and stuff like that. So itong calendar ko na, guys, you can see here that they have different colors, and each color represents what aspect of my life is it. Except for the tasks, kasi they are automatically gray. So that's how I would know na, okay, those are my tasks, yung mga to-do lists ko. Meetings, we have for freelancing, we have the blue here. Ito yung mga meetings talaga. So kapag blue na yung nakikita ko, I know I have a meeting on that day. Reds for anything that is related to YouTube, YouTube. And then I have here yellow, anything that is related to ESL teaching kasi I'm also still teaching also from time to time. And then the purple ones here, those are anything that is related to my personal life. So meeting up with friends, meeting up with family members. So that's very easy. It's very simple talaga to do it with ActiveFlow. And ito guys, yung mga meeting na ito, they're automatically in sync. Makikita mo rin ito doon sa Google Calendar mo. For example, if you open this one, you will see here which Google Calendar is it connected to. So, hindi ko na kailangan pumunta sa YouTube Calendar to create this task for YouTube. Of course, before you do that, you have to make sure that your Google Calendar, your Gmail, your ano pa yung other tools or apps na ginagamit mo is connected here or integrated here on ActiveFlow. So, ito yung mga tools and apps that you can connect with ActiveFlow. Very simple lang siya guys. You click here, for example, Google Calendar. Kung gusto mo yan i-connect. And then just click here, connect. If wala dito yung apps or tools, then you can also connect it through custom integration. So may instructions sila dito paano yan gawin. So you just have to follow that. So kapag connected niyo yung Google Calendar ninyo, yung Gmail or anong app pa yan or tool na yan dito sa ActiveFlow account ninyo, then it will be in sync. So lahat ng ilalagay mo dito, it will also be automatically displayed also there in your Google Calendar. Okay, so ayan siya guys. So naka-block na tayo ng ating schedule for the first week of December. Now, let's say for example, you have clients, no? So may mga clients tayo na or maybe wanting to inquire for our services, then you can just send them your available slots. So for example here, may mga available slots ako dito where they can have a meeting with me. So how are we going to do that? So we're just gonna click here, share availability. Okay, here, this is an available schedule. Saan pa ba? Okay, this one available. Okay, there. Kasi wala naman akong ESL teaching that time. And then we have here. So we're going to like save it and then we're going to copy the link. And it will look like this. Pwede silang pumili dito kung anong time and confirm. And they can set a meeting with you. When you go back here in your calendar, you can see here na ito, my scheduled meeting tayo. You can also send email here to the guest and also confirm if you're going or not. So it's already there. So it will also appear on this Google Calendar since it's connected right here. So ganoon na siya kadali guys. You can do that for the rest of your days here of the month. And ito naman guys, ito naman yung task list for today. So since we are still in November, you can see here your overdue, yung to-dos mo, and then scheduled on calendar. Upcoming tasks mo, it will appear here. So kaya nga guys, it really helps me with my procrastination kasi nakikita ko na ito yung gagawin ko next week. So I cannot really put this task for today for the later date kasi may mga gagawin pa ako in the next dates. So sometimes guys, may mga idea tayo no na gusto natin gawin. So if you don't want to forget about it, just type it here sa inbox ninyo. Ganyan. So as you can see guys, meron na siyang automatic labels also dito, assigned by AI itself. So the accuracy of this one guys, it will improve the more you use ActiveFlow. So for example, this one, create a proposal for client X that is actually for freelancing and it suggested storybook. So I'll just have to click on it and change it. So if hindi ka pa sure kailan mo siya gagawin, you can just leave it there. Now if sure ka na, i-click lang natin dito plan, choose here, or if you have like a specific date here, type lang natin siya, December, let's say 17. And as you can see, it's not here anymore and it's not also here. So makikita mo yan dito sa personal. And here we have date night with husband, December 17. Or you can also just drag them here. So I want to do grocery shopping on 14. Okay, so another thing that I also like using here on Akiflow, we have here command bar. So you can type here what you want. So say for example, meeting with client ABC on December 23, 8 a.m. And it's already here. So nakaset na siya dito. Switch to here, dark mode, and it will do it for you. So that's it, guys. That's how you can use Akiflow to improve your productivity as a freelancer. So of course, guys, we need to be on top of our game. It's still very important na you already have like a system to stay organized. So again, guys, if you're like me, who's easily distracted, who's tired of using so many tools and just wants to use one super app that could have everything, that could capture all the tasks, schedules, and meetings, then make sure to use Akiflow. You can find the link in the description box below where you can create your account and you can also try it out. Right now, guys, you can enjoy their 7-day free trial. So, pwede nyo siyang i-check out, i-explore nyo lang siya, and if you like it, then you can also upgrade to a paid plan. So, mas makakasave ka dito sa Pro Yearly Plan, guys, for 44% off. So that's our video for today. That's how we stay focused. That's how we stay organized. If you want more videos like this, then make sure to give us a thumbs up so I would know that you would want me to make more. And do not forget to also subscribe using the subscribe button down below. And as usual, I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Bye!